Alright, hey, it's Locksmith. Okay, as you can see right here, this style of wiper blade, we're going to make a tool out of it. So, with that being said, let's strip it down. As you can see in this picture here, we have 4 pieces to it. You got the little clip on the top, get rid of that. That's your number 1 piece. It's no good. Toss that to the side. Number 4 is going to be the rubber itself. Sometimes you can grab that and actually pull it towards the end of the wiper blade. You don't want to bend the metal that's in there, that's stainless steel, and we're going to use them because you want number 3, the 2 pieces. Once you got it apart, let's go and make the tool. Now here's the how to do. Hey, it's Locksmith here. So this is what you can get when you take wiper blades that are used that actually have the stainless steel in them. We're actually going to make tension wrenches. Right now, these are just going to be your regular tension wrenches. I'll have a video up later on where we're actually going to make top of the keyway tension wrenches. But hey, like I said, some of the best tools I have are tools that I've made. This one's going to be very easy. You're going to need a torch and a pair of vice grips and a pair of diagonal cutters. So with that being said, take your vice grips, go ahead, you notice how this goes through. Let's get it set up so we can do this. There we go, we're good there. Now this is going to be a little different, since if I set it right here, I'll actually probably melt the camera. So to do this, I'm actually going to have it at an angle, and I'm just going to prop it up with a screwdriver. You don't have to do this, I'm just doing this for the camera. So fire that bad boy up, and you can turn around and go as far as you want on here, because you're going to use the grinder. So I'm going to go here, put a 90-degree bend in. So we've got the tension wrench done that way. Now right here where you notice your flame, there's 2 blues. Get to that actual first blue that's in there. Get that bad boy all red. And you'll notice once it gets hot, you can twist it. And you notice we're twisted at a 90-degree angle. Turn your torch off. Now that's off, you can see what we've got left. Okay, so you're done there. Figure out what length you wanted to do it. Me personally, I like about my fingertip length. And the reason why is, depending on the lock, I can have my finger resting a little bit down. So turn around, diagonal cutters, put it on there. These ain't wanting to do it, so I'm gonna just turn around. The vice grips have your little cutter on there. Be careful, the tip's gonna be hot. Guess I need to tighten the vice grips up just a hair more. Sorry, let me get that in camera view. Now, depending on how fancy you want to be with these, you can turn around and go get you some. I'll heat shrink, put them on there, make it a little prettier, make it a little easier on your finger. So now we've got this done. whatever lock you're going to make this for, or you plan on doing it. You can turn around, slide it in. You notice it's a little bit too big to go in to the quick set keyway. So we're going to go to the bench grinder, and when I turn the camera back on, I'll go ahead and have it, and I'll show you. Okay, so I went over the grinder, ground it down, so it goes in there nicely now. But I also went and took some old heat shrink, put it on there. So as you see, it fits in there nicely. And this one here is set up just for your flush mount. If you're dealing with Wiser, you'll have to put a little different bins in there, or your bell locks where it's recessed in there, or a tool-up lock actually. Then you get into some of your ball locks. The reason why I like these, I carry these in the van. I at least carry 2 of them from the old wiper blades, is one, I can make my own. And let's say I get to a job and heaven forbid I have an issue where I break mine or somehow disappears, I can make one real quick. So with that, I will be doing video showing how to make your own top of the keyway one. These right here, you can knock them out. You can spend what, have a adult beverage while you're doing these, and you're saving yourself money. But go ahead and check out our playlist, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up there if you followed it, and thanks again for watching. Let's be safe out there.